Have you ever blown your account going against the trend, especially on a trend day like today where the market dropped 11 points on the S&P 500? I'm going to show you how having precision algorithms is going to save your account when you learn how to stop going against the trend. A lot of us do it. A lot of us have blown accounts. You may have blown accounts as well, thinking the price cannot go down anymore and it's got to reverse. You see price go up a little bit and you think there's my entry to go long, the price is going to reverse, and it just fakes you out and price continues to go down like today. I'm sure there were many blown accounts today. The algorithms, the penny perfect algorithms, are going to help you, as well as having a Wall Street market wizard trader as your teacher, as your mentor, who's seen many people blow their accounts and who tries to teach us daily on what to look for and how to build the correct habits. I'm going to show you some screenshots throughout the day that Eric from Spydaytrading has shown us. So this is at 10:11 in the morning. Price is already going down. And he puts in his notes, remember to wait for teal in control before you think of going long. He shows you the game plan. 30 minutes later, another scenario. If you're going to go long, you got to wait for that teal, wait for price to break above the 5-day moving average. If you're looking for reversal, you got to wait for these algorithms. These are your safety net. 11:33, he draws another bullish scenario. Don't go long until this happens. If there's lack of selling continuation, but nothing before teal. So he's reminded us several times. Here's another one. At 12 o'clock, same thing. Don't go long until you get to the liquidity and the 5-day moving average. Here's another scenario, bullish scenario. Don't go long. So anybody who's blowing their accounts, Eric all day long is giving us warnings and suggestions on when to go long. This is when you go long, when teal breaks and the bulls start to take over. Price was in the teal algorithm selling all day long. No reason to go long until price does breach the teal algorithms. That's your entry for longs.